You don't need any sophisticated software like Sony Vegas Pro or Adobe Premiere to create YouTube intro. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create YouTube intro in Canva by following very easy steps. Hi everyone, this is Varun from Creators Anchor where I upload videos about content creation and social media. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So before starting this video, I just want to say thanks to all of you for showering your love on my videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first you need a Canva account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free from the below link. You will get 30 days free trial. Now click on create a design button. Click on custom size. Now fill the width and height 1920 1080. Now click on create new design. Now I am going to create a sample intro for you guys so you can get idea how you can create YouTube intro. First change the background color. Click on the background. Click on the background color and choose any color you want. Let me select this one. Now create some text on this blank page. Go to text tab here. Add a heading. Now go to elements. Search for rectangle. Click on this rectangle. Now go to elements. Again search for frames. Click on this circle frame. Now you can put a photo, a image, or you can also put a video here on this frame. So I am going to put a video here. Click on videos tab. I will select this video here. Click on this and put this into this circle frame like this. Let me resize this circle here. Send it to back like this. Now first page is ready. Click on the add page button here and put some text and elements on the another page. Go to elements and search for subscribe. Let me select this one here. Create another page and add some text. Now all three pages are ready. Now we need to animate all of these three pages. For that, just click anywhere on the first page here and click on animate button. Now click on apply to all pages. So the animation will apply to all of the 3 pages. There are lots of animation you can choose. I will choose this rise animation here. Now this rise animation will apply to each objects like text elements or images of the page. If you want to animate a specific object, then follow these steps. Click on this video circle. I want to animate this video circle. Click on this video circle and click on this animate button here. And now choose any animation you want. Let's say I will choose tumble option here, animation. You can see animation for video element is changed here. Now I want to change this text animation also. Select any text you want. I will choose this one. Now you can see there are a lot of text animations are available, you can choose. If you don't see this text animation tab here, you can click here 3 dot icon and click on animate button, then you will see this option here. So I will choose this typewriter effect here. You can see text animation is changed here. Now let's see how our video looks like here. Click on the play button here. You can see animation took more time, that's why this video become lengthy. So make it short, we need to set the timer. Here you can see the video duration is 18.2 seconds. That's too long for an intro. So what we are going to do is we are going to set the timer for each pages. So let's select the first page here. Now you can see there is no option to set the timer because this page contains video element. So the duration of this page will depend on the video length. You can make it short by trimming this video. If you select second page, then timer is showing. So how you can trim this video? Click on the video element here and click on this cut option or trim option here. And let's trim this video. Now 3 seconds I think is enough for this video. Click on done. Now you can see video duration is little bit short now. Now select the second page and third page and set the timer. Click on the second page, set the timer to 2.0 second is good here, and this one also 2.5 second. Now you can see video is short now. Now we just need to add a music, so go to audio tab here, click on this audio tab and select any music you want. I will select this one. Now click on the audio element here and choose any part of this audio. I will choose last one here. Now let's see our intro here. That looks great, isn't it? Let me know in the comment section down below. This is how you can create an awesome YouTube intro in Canva. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please do like, and I will upload more YouTube intro ideas and designing and editing ideas to this channel. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to press the bell notification icon so you don't miss out any other video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will meet you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and make sure you keep creating. Bye bye.